Solana seemed to have risen from the ashes since the FTX implosion, and with a thriving ecosystem, it may be time to start exploring, if you haven't, with one of its earliest wallets, Solflare. Being a dedicated Solana wallet, Solflare enables its users to store and transfer any Solana-based token and NFT, as well as access to Solana dApps on PC and mobile devices. Besides that, Solflare also comes with security features such as transaction simulations and anti-phishing warnings that keep users safer when interacting with the Solana ecosystem. Okay, so let's take a look at the Solflare wallet. Solflare is available as a web wallet, a Chrome browser extension, and a mobile app. To get started, visit solflare.com and download either the browser extension or mobile app. Alternatively, you can also access the web wallet by clicking the button on the top right. For new users, tap "I need a new wallet" to create a new wallet. You'll be shown a recovery phrase consisting of 12 words. This phrase grants full access to your wallet and its funds and acts as the master key in that it is the only way to recover your wallet. We recommend you write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe and secure location. After you're done with storing your recovery phrase, click the orange button and verify you have backed up the recovery phrase by typing it into the fields provided. Moving on, set up a password to secure the wallet on your device, and you're done with the setup. You can also recover your pre-existing wallet by clicking on "I already have a wallet." Type in a 12 or 24 word recovery phrase to recover your wallet on Solflare. After that, set up a password for the wallet and you're good to go. Solflare supports connecting Ledger or Keystone hardware wallets as well. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to get started. For MetaMask users, Solflare allows you to seamlessly connect your MetaMask wallet through Solana Snap. Click on the MetaMask icon on the web wallet page. You will be prompted to connect your MetaMask, which brings up the MetaMask extension. Confirm the connection request and Solflare will be installed on your MetaMask. That's it. You can now explore Solana using Solflare that is connected to your MetaMask wallet seamlessly. To deposit crypto in your Solflare wallet, simply click on Receive to show your wallet address and QR code. Copy the address and paste this onto wherever you are sending the funds from, perhaps from a SEX or another wallet. You can also scan the QR code if you're sending the funds through your phone. Remember to double check the address and verify the network is Solana before confirming the transaction. If you'd like to send funds from the wallet, simply click on Send, select the desired token, and paste the receiving wallet address into the provided field. You'll need to have at least 0.01 SOL in your wallet for network fees. As with depositing funds, double check the address before confirming your transfer. Just in case there are any hiccups to your transaction, you can also check the transaction progress on the Blockchain Explorer with the link provided by the wallet. Solflare also enables you to buy crypto via Moonpay, but it could be that Moonpay services may not be available in the region you're living in. Click Buy on the wallet and that will take you to Moonpay's webpage. Select the crypto and the amount you'd like to buy. You'll then be prompted to create an account, which involves a KYC process. After that, you'll have to put in your payment details before finalizing your order. After you confirm your purchase, you should be receiving the crypto in your wallet within a minute. If you'd like to support the Solana network or just to earn some reward for holding SOL, Solflare allows you to easily stake your SOL within the wallet. To get to the staking webpage from the browser extension, click on the icon to the top right and click Staking at the top of the web page. Then click on Stake Now to bring up the staking menu. Enter the amount of SOL you would like to stake. Again, keep in mind that you need to keep at least 0.01 SOL in the wallet to pay for gas fees. Then you can have Solflare as a validator or choose your own validator to stake your SOL. If you'd like to check out validators, you can go on solanabeach.io and look at the list. After choosing a validator, click on Stake and confirm your transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once your SOL is successfully staked. Whenever you would like to unstake your SOL, simply come back to the staking webpage and click on undelegate. However, you will only be able to use your unstaked tokens after about 2 to 4 days. And that's all you need for setting up Solflare as your Solana wallet. If you'd like to learn about Solana's update, check out our video to find out Solana's potential in 2024.